Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G56, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So before I get started, I'm going to quickly mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. But I do also want to clarify that most of the time this will result in you also needing to verify your Google account when you go into the setup process. And without providing either the screen lock or Google account, you won't be able to finish up the setup, hence you won't be able to use the phone. And furthermore, typically you were able to bypass this somehow. Right now I don't have anything about this. This is stock Android, so there is a chance that I might have a guide for this later on once I find one, but at the moment there isn't one. And additionally, if you have a screen lock, you will be going about this a little bit differently than I am. You will need to hold the power button and volume down to forcibly turn off the device, because if you try to turn it off by holding power button and volume up, like to get the boot options and select power off, the device will tell you that you need to basically put in your screen lock. And if you're doing this because you don't know, that leaves you with the other option, which is power button volume down. So if you know your screen lock, just press and hold power button volume up, then select power off, and the device is off, and you're gonna hold power button volume down afterwards. Or if you don't know your screen lock, you're just gonna start holding it right away, and you can interact with the display to kind of see any kind of changes, because when the screen turns black, like right now it did, it's going to then turn itself off. Now sometimes the screen might basically time out, so yeah. Now here we just need to hold also power button volume down to get in here, which I guess just hold the two buttons till you have the screen visible and then let go. And now using volume buttons, you want to have recovery mode visible right here. Press power button to confirm it. Next you will need to hold the power button and press volume up when the Android with no command shows up on the screen. So hold power button, while holding it press volume up, and this takes us to the recovery mode. And here, using again volume buttons, you want to scroll down and select wipe data factory reset. There we go. Confirm with the power button and just affirm this process by selecting factory data reset. It's going to tell you that it's formatting data, and then data wipe complete. Reboot system now is selected by default, so just press power button once more, and this will reboot the device and continue resetting it. Now once the process is finished, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And I think I'll also pause the video while it's going through the fully automatic process, as it's just a waste of time. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.